In this system of the equations above, a and b are constants and a is equal to 2b. They have no solutions, so what could be a possible value of a? So whenever we know that there are two linear equations that have no solutions, we can think about it if we can draw it on a graph. There are no solutions. That will mean that two lines are parallel. And if we know that two lines are parallel, that means that the slopes are the same. Why is that? Because if this line and this line are parallel, that means that they also increase by the same amount. In other words, the slopes are the same exact value. So, in order for us to solve this, we just need to put this into slope-intercept form, solve for the slope, and equalize both of the slopes together. So we will solve for the first one. By is equal to 10 minus 2x. Divide both sides by b, so we get y is equal to 10 over b minus 2 over b times x. For the other equation, we have 4y is equal to 15 minus ax. Divide both sides by 4, so we have y is equal to 15 divided by 4 minus a over 4x. Now we both know that regardless of this base value, they can be different all we want, but we also know that these must be the same. So we know that therefore a over 4 is equal to negative 2 over b. We also can plug this value in now, so we know that a is equal to 2b, so that means that we can plug in 2b over 4. We can also cancel out those two negatives. 2b over 4 is equal to 2 over b. Multiply, cross multiply, and we can get 2b squared is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2, we get 4. Square root both sides, we get plus or minus 2. Alright, now we need to find a possible value of a. We know that b can either be negative 2 or positive 2, and that means that a would have to be 2 times that, so either negative 4 or positive 4. C.